Oh yeah, Alexa, stop. Thanks, Susan. Watermelon scraps. Got watermelons for laters. Oh, look at that. I got some nice little, yeah, might be a nice size to start with for a guy, you know. Oh, you don't like those? All right. So yeah, we're making the accoutrement for the Dirty Jay Burgers. Cutting a tomato, cutting a tomato, and cutting a tomato. You see, and there, right there, not fast. You see. Take these pieces for the chef, set those aside, and lay that out just like a deck of cards. Just like a deck of cards, yeah? Now you take your second tomato, cut off the end, save that for the chef. Cut off the other end, save that for the chef for later. And now you slice the tomato, and you can see with the sharpness of the knife, it goes right through. And you can do this today. You can do this tomorrow, next week, next year, for the rest of your life. This knife will stay sharp, and we even guarantee it. Take that, put that out for your next outdoor barbecue. Your burgers, absolutely delicious. And nobody saw that, it went in a little hole in the thing. I got a onion. I got a cut. Onion squirts, just, you know, even the safety squints don't quite do it. So I got the onion fan over here. It just blows the fumes away. So there's a million ways to cut an onion, and you can like the way I do it, you can dislike the way I do it, but that's the way I do it. I go like that, and I peel the entire onion in one shot, like that. Oh, but you just wasted all that. Okay, sit for 3 hours and peel the little pieces off the onion, because you paid 59 cents for the onion, so you're saving about 2.478% of a cent and that. Yeah, so there you go. It's peeled onion. No tears, because onion fan. And just slice that for the Dirty Jay Burgers. All you shed are tears of joy with this knife. My $1,000 knives. When I bought them, my mother yelled at me. She's like, "Why did you buy that?" I said, "Because they're guaranteed for life. I'll never need to buy knives again. And when they go dull, they sharpen them free. They're Cutco, you know." So I couldn't go wrong. Well, that's the end of that onion. When it all falls apart. Lions. The lion. But probably, I don't know who else is putting onion on their burglars. You take that?
Sometimes.
So, oh, sometimes. So there you go. And then what I like to do with the little scraps here is just sort of do little slivers. Fills in the plate, you know, kind of like parsley and shit, you know. Just fills in the plate type thing. So just dice that up right quick, and then we can put that on there, and then we'll see about what else. I think it's almost time to for my shift to end, and it's time for we have a special guest chef today, the Shark. He's going to show us how to make con queso. Probably not. So we'll see how that works. I only came up with the idea. So let's get this together because we do have to get the queso on the road. So we have all of the accoutrements all set there. Oh, hey, I got an idea. Hey, Shark!
Yeah?
I made you a picnic plate with wine and a baguette.
A treat, I made your favorite, a picnic plate with wine and a baguette. Can I get you something else? I'll have some soup. A treat, get that man some soup. Okay, hot soup is on my eye.
Oh, let me see. No, that's way too offensive for the 4th of July. You should be meat and nothing.
Shark, vegetables, shark, vegetables, just doesn't. It was like when Sharky had a video some time ago of vegetable garden at home that his parents have, and it was nice and all that. And I said, this reminds me of the movie Airplane, where they go, what the hell is a man doing with a bobby pin? So what the hell is a shark doing in a vegetable garden?
But that's not important right now.
Stop calling me Shirley. So we have our guest host over here, Sharky.
Hello.
And he's making the con queso.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is this going on?
It's a lion boy. He's checking the.
And there's a mollusk.
He's the quality control, if you will.
Oh, the quality control?
Control, yeah, exactly.
The quality control. No shit.
Oh, I didn't realize I was still on there.
So how is the cat quality? What about the mollusk? Did she get some?
Yeah, I'll give her some. Molluscus. I told him molluscus. There you go. Fair is fair. And that should be good. Alright, so I don't think we really have to break it apart, but I usually do.
Yeah, I find that to be a good thing. So
more surface area. Hey, I actually remember something from all those science classes. All about surface area and solute and solvent and got on the Sunivas.
Yeah, I studied that in depth actually.
Oh, you're in the deep end of the pool?
Oh, so you're getting the salsa going now?
Yeah, exactly. Jay, could you just give me a spoon?
Oh, yeah. In fact, I got one right over here.
Oh, thanks.
There you go.
Why is it in the bowl like that?
Well, everything on every cooking show is always in a little bowl. Every time you put salt and pepper and all that stuff in, so it's, you know.
Oh, I see. So I just put a little bit of salsa and add each time.
Right.
Efficiency.
Yeah, well, no, because what you do is you put it in the little bowl and then you can dump it in the...
Of course. Very funny, hon.
You're doing the dishes? My God, by the time he's done, it's ready to go back in the cabinet. No need to wash it. Listen to the scouring action. Hear the scouring action? You'll be ready to go back.
Right.
So, how did your con queso turn out?
Very queso-y.
Looks con. Oh. There you go. Better than Brillo. I got a million things to do. Oh, it's your meat. Oh, hey. It's time to make burglars. Been running around like crazy. Trying to do stuff. Outside, inside. Get everything. What happened? How did you know it's a tube of meat? Did you smell it and think it's a cat treat? How did you know it's a tube of meat? How will I know if he really loves me? The tube of meat, because this is all I can get now. The good news is this year, we don't have any more wants. We had wants, and I got rid of the wants. Kept stepping on them, and I got other spray and things in the way. Ant traps, went traps, and things. I don't know how they expect people to open this, so I just got to do you mind? Oh, you still think it's... You have dirt! You can't have dirt in you on camera! That's disgusting! Urgh. Oh, time for a cat treat. Gonna like it. Oh yes, Daddy. You mean I get to have? Oh, a little mollusk. Squeak! Squeak! I'll give you some. Hey, you can't step on that. Here, eat that. Roaches! Go on. Arr. Okay, let me get the meat out of the package. I'm guarding the meat from the lions. Just peel off maybe a little less than that. There we go. Put that in the burger press and start the magic of Dirty Jay Burgers. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, I got a lot more burglars to make, so we'll come back when I have that done.
Well, yeah, first things first, you gotta make sure there's enough so we can all have 4 burgers per person.
Matt's in town?
I must be.
We're all eating in tribute to him.
Yeah, it's all tribute to him.
Whoops! No.
But you know, Jay, the other thing is too is you gotta remember to put seasonings all over it, because if you don't season the meat, it's no good. It defeats its own purpose.
Well, the problem with seasoning the meat is that, you don't want to. If you're going to season the meat, you only can do one side, because it just magically like permeates through the meat to the other side and that. But for Dirty Jay Burgers, you definitely don't want to do that. Dirty Jay Burgers are au natural and other French things, and they require no seasoning at all. So there we are, is about 16 burglars in there, separated by waxel paper. Oh, little bits for a lion. And that. Oh, no, I'll have to see. Oh, there might be a meat crumb for a mollusk. Over here, mollusk. Here you go. Little girly. Oh, dear. So that's it. Burglars are made. This one could use a little, like that, just, make believe. Put some furl over that and toss it in the colderator for later. And as far as cooking and that is actually going to conclude this part of the 4th of Slime for 2022. So what's next? I don't know. We're going to have Salsa Con Queso. Might be slime, I heard. I'm not sure. Did they cancel that?
I think it got canceled.
It got canceled? Alright, well, we'll see. Still got barbecue, so. Psst. So, you like the meat? You like the meat. You like the cooking. Look at the dirt in you! You can't have dirt like that! You can't have dirt like that for YouTube. My good nuts.